My name is McKenzie Coe. I've been licensed with the state of Texas since 2020. Prior to living in Texas, I went to undergraduate in Los Angeles, California at Loyola Marymount University, where I got my bachelor's degree in Women and Gender Studies and Political Science. I am married for 4 years and we have a 1.5-year-old daughter who's very sweet. So with my undergrad degree, it was always important for me to help women and children. And so I knew I wanted to do that through law. I wasn't sure exactly how that was going to play out in the law. And so going to law school, I really learned that that passion was honed the best through family law. I think sometimes the challenge comes in with the law. The law doesn't always fit every person's needs or case exactly the way that feels just or right. The law takes some time to catch up to how we feel and what we were thinking in this day and age. And so sometimes that can be a challenge for both me and our clients, is that it doesn't necessarily match up with what is best for their family. Yes, so I had a case where there was an unfortunate incident where the mother had passed away and father was not involved, and grandmother had been raising the children, and she had been having a hard time with getting the child doctor's appointments in school and all that kind of stuff because she was not a legal guardian of the child. And so we were able to finalize her adoption, get her full custody of her grandchildren, and it just made her life so much easier day to day. She was able to keep caring for her grandbabies. It led her grandbabies into some stability, and it was a really, really hard time for everybody with their mother's death, but ultimately we were able to get them to a place where it was just, the legal aspect of it was taken care of. It was one less thing for them to have to deal with. I think an important quality for any lawyer, especially family lawyer, is being creative. Like I mentioned earlier, the law doesn't always fit with every person's family situation. And so I think if we as lawyers can be creative and collaborative, then we can make a order or a situation fit that family much better than sometimes a standard or what the law says is standard fit for each individual family. The best piece of advice I ever received was to set boundaries early and firm. And I apply that both to my career and my personal life. And I think that's something that our clients also benefit from is, having clear boundaries set from the beginning and staying firm to them can really help everybody be as happy as they can in their situations. So this office is really great because they really do value family time. And so if I need to pick up my daughter from daycare, or if she's sick, or our daycare just falls through, it is no questions asked. I can absolutely take care of my daughter, and I have a ton of backup here to help me if I need, if I have a hearing or something. We've had the situation before where I had to drop everything very unexpectedly and leave the state for an extended period of time. And Heather and Tina and Tyler just took care of everything. They took care of my hearings, they reset them for me. And that was amazing and extremely valuable to me because it allowed me that time that I needed for my family to be there for them. And I just so greatly appreciated that. I really do enjoy the work-life balance. I enjoy the trust and teamwork. All the attorneys here are extremely knowledgeable and experienced, and I feel that I can ask anybody for help. I can ask anyone for advice, and they're willing to stop what they're doing and help me, and that's invaluable.